Hey, hi guys, J Studios here, back for another video, and today we're doing something exciting, and Kaiden is manning it.
Hello.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna be launching this rocket in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, not launching.
Huh? What? Failed.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? I don't know what's happening, but... What? I don't know. 5-second delay before parachute!
Uh-oh. No parachute.
There it is.
I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Shoot!
We'll land in the breeze, boys.
No!
Come on. Where's the chute?
It made it.
Oh, yeah!
Go try to find it.
Okay.
Find it in the water.
If it landed in the water, then that's bad.
I gotta grab it. No.
Okay, Kaiden will take the camera to see if he can find it. Let's go. So, it landed through here somewhere. Like in there. Okay. I'm gonna see right there. Let's see. Smell something. Oops. There's nothing. Got it. Rocket projectile. It's a go. What? It's a go. Awesome. But the parachute didn't deploy. Here, take that. Okay. All right. Okay, that was kind of interesting. So, see you next time on J Studios. Bye.